am. You go there, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Crown Ugochi. You go jack the apala like this, you go there massage am. You know press square, you know massage square again. The woman go carry your this one, you go carry, use the hand, the horror on camera. You go there massage your husband, you see the one massaging it. Don't forget to subscribe to Crown Ugochi, my YouTube channel. Follow me on my Instagram, Crown Ugochi. You see the way you will be massaging your husband. The way my hand is going, if you are with your husband right now, bring him out. Bring his apampuram out. Follow me up. Follow my rule and regulation. You see, that is how it's supposed to do. They massage, and you know, so sometimes you will see the two eggs, they will be separate because they are not happy. How you go touch your husband dick, everything, the apampuram, one puram go one side, one apampuram go one side. Don't you know that it's not good? It's not fair. So the apampuram always need to be together because it's like twins. Them bond them together. It's together forever. So you don't, as a big lady, as a big woman that gets married to a man, to handsome man, you don't have to leave that apampuram separate like this. The apampuram need to be what? Need to be together because the way you massage, you go wake up. Apampuram they wake up, eh? Una go dey look and see say apampuram dey wake up. They are wake when you touch am like this, you don't wake up. So you need to dey do. You need to dey bring them back to life. You need to dey bring them back to life. You see my hand? You see this egg now when I'm massaging. You need to dey bring them back to life. And that water, I don't know whether na water. That water where they dey apampuram. If you when you don't massage, you go check am for your. You go your. You see am. Because when you know massage and well, you touch it, go to make kwokere, because you know if you massage and well, like say you do akem now or custard, you use spoon, you massage, you use spoon, turn and well, turn and check and turn and if you see the whole seed go melt. That is how it's supposed to be. Using your husband apampuram they do. Always, if your husband come back from work, don't let him just remove his shirt, let him go and take his shower, then he come out. Carry the apampuram for hand, begin the massage. The man go sleep for chair. Before you make him bring food for dining table, the man don't sleep because you don't use your hand. You see am here. You go they use your hand. They massage the apam. You see am. You go the way I'm doing it. That if your husband is with you now, or your fiancé, your wife, your husband to be, bring his apampuram with me now. As I am doing. Always do it with me. Water don't put water from apampuram. Oh Jesus. This apampuram they work with women. So bring his dick out, my dear. They massage the apamo. Massage. The blockers need it. Everything in life need it. Like any man when you give your hand to massage you now, you go to get feelings, you go to enjoy them. Every part of a woman being body need massage. Because you go see only that fuck, the man don't massage or the man don't do exercise or he don't do a gym. No. You need to your hand is rolling. You need to be rolling it. You go scratch and like this. You see the water now. The water is dancing, it's happy. The water that is always in apampuram. You see the water now. The water is happy because in our massage you see they do and the water self, only the sound of water where you go hear like this. You can hear the thing is sounding well because in our massage you see. Have you guys seen it? This is how it's supposed to. And the man, your wife breast, not be every time they fuck. As the apampuram they sweet you, where they massage and they give you small scratching. You see they go. This is how it's supposed to do what? Your wife breast. You need to pour that oil. The oil I need to bring her here, but next time you go pour am for Allah. Not be everything go carry your mouth. They suck like a sucky. You go put your hand here. You go use your hand. They massage the breast. You go they do it like this. This is how to massage the breast. So not be say chocolate. You know they like say they change television channel. No, you go use your hand with the smooth chili. You go they massage her so that the breast go they curve. You see you go the massage and when you must go come up. Then if from down, like say you raise her up, you come down like this. You carry them again from here. You come down. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Crown Ugochi. I love you too, my dear. I love you guys too, eh? So this is how you're supposed to be doing. When you hold the breast like this, you go first carry and come up like this. You go use your hand, go here, like this, with the oil. she go dey enjoy am. No be every time una go dey suck breast, suck cancer, suck gbogbo mba no. If you don't want your wife to get contact all these cancer them, all those things, just use your hand, raise the apara like this, take and go up. You go take and go back down like this. Una dey see am. That is how it's supposed to. Woman can't do it on herself. Now you as a man will do it for your wife. For your wife, only for purpose. You will carry the apala like this, raise her up. You go do it from down, not like this. So from down, you will bring it up. You will do it like this. You see, you will do it, but be careful for her chest. Just if you reach here, go use small hand. You go smooth that is with care. You will do it like this. You will do it like this. Romance it. You come here again. You do it like this. The way I'm doing it now, you see, you will be doing it. You pack them again. You do it like this. You come here. You press them like this. You touch them like. When you go do and do, you will see say your wife breast don't they get seed. That ara hang around what they can do again. You understand? That is what you're supposed to be doing. You hold it. Then after you do her finish, you will grab your arm like this. You will be rolling it. I want to teach you guys in case it, because you guys now problem I dig now, big problem now I dig on our family. Because when I know one learn, when I go to criticize person, see when I go to romance their pamu. In affair, when I go to romance their pampuramu, you see you go the romance, you go carry the two eggs. You see the two eggs is separate. I hope you guys are see separate. You see you will bring it together like this. Pam, you will be rolling it like this. The man go dey get joy. The man go dey happy. Anything when you tell that man to do, you be doing it. You go dey roll am. You go dey roll the apampuramu. You go dey roll am. You go dey roll am. You see when you roll this apamu finish, my dear, if your husband know, in fact, your husband go promise you something that you sef you go call me and thank me. They roll am like this. Go hold am.